Restarting a game in Unity, even without any changes, takes a bit more time than I would like it to. It can be quite annoying when trying to test something many times. Let's see what we can do about it. Let's start by creating an editor folder and then a SceneRestarter script inside it. Inside the script, as usual, I start with a little bit of cleanup and then create a static restart scene method. It does nothing unusual. We simply grab the active scene and reload it using the scene manager. I just realized I left the script extending mono behavior, but in this case it doesn't need to do so. Now the magic part. The MenuItem attribute allows us to add a new entry to the Unity menu and execute a method by using it. It even allows us to add hotkeys to the functionality. Here's a small cheat sheet for adding the hotkeys. In my case, I'm going to restart the scene when Shift and the letter R are pressed together. Now, in order to reset our scene, we can simply use the menu item or our hotkey. If it makes your life a little bit easier, please consider subscribing to my channel. See you soon!